Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we update phone date in our Realme phone. Friends, you want to update your phone date in your Realme phone, so how can you update today? I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we update phone date. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your system CQ setting guys, tap here. Friends, click on guys your date and time setting guys. So friends, you can see guys your date setting guys. You want to update your date, so you can update from here guys. So when we will update from here, so guys you want to change guys date, means you want to update into like October and November, so guys you can update from here. So I will click on this one November and guys come back. Friends, you can see guys your phone date will update into 1 November Tuesday. So like that guy, we can update phone date in our Realme phone. So that's it guy, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.